how to update all your apps at once in Google Play Store. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. And also make sure to watch our previous videos and tutorials. We have playlists for many apps, and let's get started. So first thing, make sure that your Play Store is up to date, and then open your Play Store. As you can see, here is the dashboard and the main page of Play Store. You have here the popular apps, maps and GPS and stuff like this, and apps categories. We don't need any of these. We're just gonna go to the upper right to the profile picture, click on it, and then go to manage apps and device from here. Click on it, and now as you can see, there is a notification here titled updates available. You can just click on update all, or before updating all, you can go and see the details from here. Click on it, and now click on update all. When you click on update all your apps are gonna be updated successfully. I think this is much better and much less time consuming, and consumes much less time than updating each app alone. But also make sure to see all the apps in the list here to see if you want to update it or not. And then after you click update all is gonna be updated. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.